since we just finished making the movement in the mouse and keyboard here in the PC, we now have to make the mobile inputs in the mobile in Android. Therefore, we have to prototype in mobile. So we have to set up the Godot for prototyping and debugging in for our mobile. So to do that, first we would have to enable that feature. In my case, I've already enabled it, and this is my phone. And to do that is that we would have to install first the Android Studio. You should have installed this first, and then this one, SDK download, and you have to install the latest version of the SDK. And then you have to go to the Android Studio, and you will have to set up something a little bit, and it will take a moment. And so go to more actions and then go to the SDK Manager under the SDK and click the show package detail, and you have to copy this one. Yeah. And as for the SDK tools, you have to download this one, the side by side SDK command tools, CMake, Android emulator, Android emulator hypervisor, and then this one. Click apply and then download all of those, and then it will install. Then you have to set up our SDK, and before that you have to go to the editor, manage, what do you call that? Manage export templates, select the GitHub release minor, and then download and install. After that, you would have to go to the editor settings, type the Android, and then you would have to set this up. So I'm going to set up again. First, you would have to go to this PC and to your locals, users, the users rather, and then the app data. If you don't see your app data, you just have to go to the view, then show the hidden items. So app data and then local, then Android, then go to the SDK, copy this, go to the Godot, and then paste it here in the Android SDK. Enter. Now, as for the Java SDK path, you should go to this PC, then the program files, Java, JDK, then bin, copy paste this one. Just go here and then copy paste. Go to Godot, there. And then as for the key store, just have to go to the just copy paste this one again, paste it in here, enter, go back here, go to the bin, and then debug key store, and then open. But if you don't have this one, I think if you don't have the debug key store, you can go to the Godot debug. They have in the documentation, and then there is a documentation here. Oops, debug key store, exporting for Android, and then copy this one, the create debug key store, this command line, cmd, and then run as an administrator. Click yes, shift insert, enter. And then as you can see, mine, yeah, this is mine. And then that would mean yours has been created. I mean, the debug key store has been created. And then go back to Godot, here, and then there should be a debug key store. So you should click that one, open, and then done. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. Close this one. Project settings. I think ETCS render. Hmm. I think you should enable. Nah, you don't need that one. Anyways, I think that once that is done, is that you go to the project settings and then install this one. Click this one, mine. Click the install Android build template. Install. I think this is needed. I think so. And then go to the export and then add Android here. Fix import invalid missing bin directory. That's crazy. So JDK SDK path. Oh, perhaps I made a mistake. JDK SDK path. Okay. Select current folder. Close. Mm, export. Missing bin directory. What? What did I do wrong, man? But it's clearly here. Program files. Android Studio. Bin. No. Hmm. Wait, let me back. C and then program files. Java. Okay, copy this one. Okay. Editor. Hmm. What else? And about Android? I think it's good. Mhm. And you should also enable this one. And then go to the project. Oops. Go to the project. I mean debug. Enable this too. And then export. I just did. Are you crazy? Oh, I think I may have. Yeah, I've downloaded that, I guess. If not, mm, <clears throat> 9 minutes has passed. Hmm. Okay. Oh my gosh. Invalid Java SDK path. What's wrong with you? Oh, there it is. Yes. What happened here? Android. Hmm. Oh, Java. Hama. Okay. Let's go back to editor. Android. here. Then bin, check if it still have. What? I'm. This is crazy. Um, what should we do? Though I think it's this one. Yep. Hey, project. Oh yes, it works. It will be updated to game development. Yep, I know, and it's fine for me. Back it up. Local. Go go to my game. It's game development. Good out. This should be named as the same as the original folder. Game development. Rename. Yay. And I think you should go to your phone. Wait, let me record. And you should now be at your phone and then go to your settings and then additional settings and then enable your developer mode. Go to the developer options and then USB debugging should be installed. I mean, should be enabled. And then I'm going to plug my connector to my PC, I mean desktop, to my phone. And then this should be, yep, installed via USB. USB debugging should be enabled. And then what else? Check. This should be file transfer. And then in your PC, your phone should be here. And if you remote debug, this will install directly to your phone. Okay, remember install. Okay, good. Now I am on my phone, and if I drag, I can look just like in my PC. And perhaps that would be another episode. So see you soon. Nice.